You ever just snap? Not loud, not emotional. Just that quiet switch in your head that says, enough. It's not a breakdown. It's a system shutdown, a blackout in your soul. No more explaining. No more forcing. No more dragging dead weight. Just silence. Erase the old version. He's done. The one that stayed too long, cared too much, checked his phone hoping someone gave a damn. Kill his habits, delete his playlists, mute the voices that trained him to be soft, distracted, predictable. You don't need closure. You need a clean break. You don't need their support. You need to vanish and recalibrate. When you strip it all, who's left? No crowd, no girlfriend, no applause, no dopamine crutch. Just a mirror. And most people, they panic when it gets this quiet, because without distractions, they're forced to meet the version of themselves they've been running from. Do not reinvent. Do not overthink. Just execute. Wake up at war. Cut sugar. Cut gossip. Cut the news. Fast. Breathe. Move heavy things. Build quietly. Then build again, until silence becomes your strength. You don't need motivation. You need isolation. Ritual, repetition, reduction. Discipline is how you code a new identity. Most people come back looking for applause. You come back unrecognizable. Let them wonder where you went. Let them regret how they treated you. But never explain. Reset, restart, refocus. Alone. Stay dangerous.